presentation on freeflow.io, our Hack the North 2021 project, which is an open source version control platform for journalism. Before we start, just meeting our team, we had Rithvik, Jared, Noor, and Nivi. So peer review is important in journalism. By having our work reviewed by others, we can fix typos and reduce bias in our writing. We loved the open source code review process in software development, and this project came from a question that occurred to us. What if journalism used public software for peer reviewing writing too? After doing more research to understand the market fit, we were surprised to find that this was a relatively unique idea. The most similar existing idea is Wikipedia, which has 1.7 billion unique visitors every month. However, Wikipedia does not support journalism pieces and casual articles such as blog posts. So what can users actually do? They can highlight articles to make suggestions for adding, reviewing, and changing lines. They can upvote suggestions that they agree with, and on articles that they authored, they can accept and reject suggestions made by others. So the UX is minimalistic, clean, and intuitive, so users can really focus on what's important, suggesting a high-quality edit. Now let's look at some actual demos. So here's our homepage. It also supports dark mode. We made sure of that. And it leads to our dashboard. Here's what the actual article viewing page looks like. So when you wanted to make a suggestion, you can view the suggestions on the side, as well as how many lines were changed, and you can choose which suggestions to accept or ignore. And this is how the process worked. Here's the profile page. You can see all the user articles, and again, dark mode. Here is the article writing page. You can choose a picture, and we actually took inspiration from Medium for this design, so we wanted to make it really minimalistic. And I forgot to show this for this demo, but we can actually highlight text, and you can make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. So it's a rich text editor. And finally, we also support notifications. So you can see your reviews, and you can follow other users. Yep, so you can write and publish your own articles. So how did we actually build it? The front end of our project is built with React with components from Trucker UI. We use Next.js for middleware and Vercel to continuously deploy the front end. On the backend side, we use CockroachDB for our database and Rails for our backend framework. Finally, we used Heroku to deploy the backend. We chose these tools for a mixture of reasons, familiarity, eagerness, try something out new, and so on. So what's next for freeflow.io? We have a lot of features planned. Organization pages, notification system, and multi-language support are some of them. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you can try out freeflow.io yourself.